This tile you see stacked up here, all this tile was damaged coming out of the box. A given box, box contains 10 tiles, and typically about only 4 of them are undamaged. The rest you can use them for cuts around the perimeter of the room. But so it's no wonder Lowe's is discontinuing this slate. Piece of garbage. So to get around that door jamb on the right, I cut that tile into several pieces. There's 1, 2, 4 pieces there, and there'll be another piece on the other side of that. For this one on the left, I think I can just cut an L-shaped pattern in that to get it to go around that door jamb, and then I'll just have a small piece there on the left there to finish it out. One thing I want to do before I turn over this rental property again is paint this shed. And the siding of this shed is a product called T111. I call it painted cardboard. It should be against code. And here you can see where once it gets exposed to water, it just begins to disintegrate and fall apart. I put some Bondo there, I don't know, maybe a year ago. But I'm going to, where it flares up like that, I'm going to cut that with my Dremel, patch it up with Bondo, and then I'm going to paint it. So here, all this stuff has got to cut. That needs to be sanded down a little bit. This is smooth over here. I'll just put some Bondo on it to seal it. Yeah. So I pretty much can do this on all 4 sides, and then I'll get it painted.